Good afternoon, sir. Our project is about e-payment services through debit cards and credit cards. We have prepared a project abstract, sir. Can I share the screen, sir?
Yes.
Before that,
thank you.
I request
Yes.
Professor Kedar sir to introduce the subject properly, and then you will be allowed this opportunity.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Today we have the gracious presence of Shri Maithili Sharan Gupta, who is the DGP for Police Reforms, MP Police. While holding a very high police stature, he is not only serving the community, but he also has a very large mission in his hand. He has inspired us to be part of a very large initiative which is called Crime Free Bharat. And Crime Free Bharat is not just the only initiative. His larger goal is to also provide a better living for 130 crore Indian population through some of the innovative ideas, making use of the right technology, the right skills, and the availability of skills within the student community, which is what we are going to do today. The Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, along with MP Police, is in MOU where we are committed to this large initiative of Shri Maithili Sharan Gupta ji, and we are now about to present one of the team's abstract, which is the team name is Deep Magic, and they are going to talk about e-payment gateways, one of the critical components of the end-to-end solution is to be able to generate revenue, and to be able to generate revenue gateways which people can trust and utilize on the platform. So having said that, I would again like to thank DGP sir and the teams to have come together. I would now like to hand it over to Abhinav, who would talk about the project abstract and take feedback, suggestions, questions from Maithili sir today. Go ahead, Abhinav.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Should I share the screen, sir?
Please.
Here is our project abstract, sir.
Okay.
I'll explain in detail, sir. First, an electronic payment system or e-payment system is it accepts the electronic payment for online transactions. The main features or the key feature of electronic payment system is payment gateway. Payment gateway facilitates the payment transaction by transferring the information from merchant website to the merchant acquiring bank. Here are the steps for working of a payment gateway. I will explain the steps, sir. First, the customer, when he wants to buy a product online, he will enter his debit card or credit card details in the merchant website. Then those credit card details are encrypted in a secure way and they are being sent to the merchant web server. There, the merchant web server will forward that transaction information to the payment gateway. The payment gateway will then convert that transaction information from XML to ISO 8583 format, and it will send that information to the payment processor. The payment processor will transfer that transaction information to the credit card issuing bank by sending an authorization request. That request is received by the credit card issuing bank and it will verify the credit or debit information and send the authorization response back to the payment processor. The payment processor sends that response back to the payment gateway, and the payment gateway sends it back to the merchant website. After that, the credit card issuing bank will make payment to the payment processor, and the payment processor will deposit that payment into the merchant account. Here is the project workflow diagram of our project, sir. Now my friend Vivek will proceed with the project.
Here I am having set issues basically. Before you proceed, I would like to ask a very basic question, because you said about the credit card, and the very name of the project is payment options. It means whatever the payments option are available, all options has to be integrated. So number one could be the internet banking, credit card, debit card, Bhoom, phone pay, whatever. But all options should be available so that the person can make a payment or hospital can make a payment without any problem. So whatever the options are available, all options has to be integrated. It will not be only a credit card option, because
Yes,
other
sir.
person may not be having the credit card. Rather QR card based or उस तरीके से QR based payment and those kind of the feature may also be integrated. And
Yes, sir. Will not.
if the team which is capturing evidence or photograph or video, whatever it is, it has to be given that artificial intelligence that it should identify the type of the violation, and it should put a right kind of the section for that violation, and the penalty amount has to be identified. This payment option, since it will be working for community volunteers as well as for the government treasury, it means of the total amount, 50% will go to the government treasury and 50% will go to the community volunteers. And since the community volunteer would be having n number of revenue stream, so when they will become bank volunteer, they will become our community volunteers, just like YouTube or some kind of a revenue stream, then their payment link has to be or payment detail or credit basically bank detail has to be shared. So if a volunteer has not shared bank detail, till then he will not be getting revenue stream. So if he is not sharing bank detail, then he is doing that at his own peril. That could be made clear at the time of the registration of the volunteer itself. Even we can make some kind of a benchmark that your monetary stream will flow after you acquire this much of points, so that initial monetary flow will not be taking place unless he qualify after acquiring certain points, and that will be for his training and other kind of the purpose, so that he can do a quality job. And since he knows that he will be getting a revenue stream, so he will be willing to learn, and our app would be in position to train our community volunteers for these things, so that he can do a quality job. Later on, even on ground, we will consider putting some marks from where we can capture traffic violations and other violations more accurately, more appropriately, because that provides the right angle for capturing those videos or photographs. So whatever
Ashrit, did we lose Maithili sir?
Yes, sir. We lost Maithili, sir.
So I hope this point is clear.
Yes.
There was some technical issue. That's why I was exited by the system. So the point which I made, some of the point may be related to you, others point may be related to the other group. So it can be shared with the other group, those who are working on capturing of the photographs. And this part jo hai, could be payment part. It should include all kind of the payment options. That is also need of the requirement. And we have to understand that the payment has to be split in two parts. One will go in treasury and another will go to the community volunteers. And if we presses one button or if each citizen decide to press one button, the total revenue which will be generated for the government, it will be a huge money, something like 130,000 1,30,000 crore rupees would be generated for government, and the same amount would be generated for the community people also. And if they presses many or they captures many evidences, it will be multiple of 1,30,000 crore. So that kind of the huge money would be generated. And there will be a number of other stream which will be flowing to community volunteer. One is the traffic violation, another is execution of the summons, warrant and court processes. Then input about the crime, that will also be mapped with the larger crime map. And community volunteer will be rewarded for as many offences detected on the input of his input. So if we give information about a criminal and by mapping we could detect 300 offences, then that volunteer will be getting a promotion voucher of the 30,000 crore. That kind of the big money will be flowing to him. That kind of the big money will be flowing. And when that kind of the heavy incentive would be there, I am sure our society will be getting converted into a better society. So ultimately, we are talking of the revenue. Hence, your model has to be very, very strong model. And we have to even ensure that nobody else would be in position to copy it, number one. Number two, that somebody else would not send the similar kind looking message and that money is going somewhere else rather than going to the treasury or going to the community volunteers. So that has to be kept in mind from very beginning. And even our cyber investigation team, that has to be kept at the background so that whenever that kind of activity is happening, it should be captured proactively. Because the moment they will learn that this kind of the app is there and this kind of things happen, then they will try to imitate those kind of the link. And if the person could not differentiate whether it is coming from the genuine app or something like that, then probably that whatever the payment is received by him, it may go in the wrong account. That must not happen, because a little mistake on our side will hamper our credibility. And since it is a new idea, people would like to really misuse it. So we have to be very cautious from very beginning. So this is almost a forewarning to you that in no case nobody should be in position to spoof it. So what kind of the things we will be putting over there, whether we will be putting the hologram, and then so that nobody should be in position to misuse similar looking message, similar looking things, and dissuading somebody to make the payment. However, that evidence, because they may even create some kind of the evidence also, and that evidence is captured through their app, and that amount may go to their account rather than to the volunteer account or the government treasury. This part has also be kept in mind rather than later on reacting to the situation when we will encounter this kind of issue. तो बच्चों ये बात कुछ समझ में आई है क्या?
Yes, sir. Not only credit card options, sir. We have included other options also, sir. Google Pay, Phone
Yeah.
Pay, all the payment options are also
I
included.
will say all options has to be included.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Sir.
without any limitation.
Yes.
Sir, I'd like to brief about the workflow of the project, sir.
Okay, please.
Yes. Sir, can you, Ashrit, could you share the screen, please?
Ashrit, please share the screen.
Ashrit seems to be unavailable, sir.
Vivek,
He's
click the share screen below.
No, he did not put that on the show. I'm on backstage. Actually, his presentation is on the backstage.
Ashrit,
Sir,
please do the needful.
I think Ashrit's system has crashed, it seems. There is some problem with the system.
Yeah, it seems to be. So, can we manage without that till he is again in?
No,
he must be trying. He must be trying to rejoin. Till then, we have to be in auto mode.
Yes. Yeah. If you have it in front of you, Vivek, maybe you can continue. Go and explain it.
Yes, sir. No.
Yeah.
Sir, just the workflow.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir. The first stage of the project is to inform the violator of the violation he did. This would be done via. We'll send a link to him, sir, via SMS or an email. We'll also send the details of the challan, how much money is to be paid, and also with the due date.
Here you have asked one very important point. That is violator.
Yes, sir.
And from where we will be locating violator. I mean, that will be again an issue. So a little briefing about how to locate violator. Because I was trying to integrate all the vehicles, especially tractor, trolleys, and those kinds of things. When I was working for a disaster resolution system or disaster command system, so we were wanting that all tractor, trolley, etc. They should be integrated in our system, and we got all the details from transport department. And when we were working for our integration, to our horror, we found majority of the contact details which were found in transport department record, they were not valid. So it means depending on transport department record will be a folly, and there has to be a cross information which will be flowing from insurance department. And since insurance people keep on changing from one company to another company, so there is a centralized database which is available to the for us. So getting that information would be more appropriate from insurance database. So even when we will be getting the information from transport database, we will be simultaneously getting this information from insurance database also. And third would be, in a regular way, our CCTV and IoT devices, they are creating their own database. So because they are capturing the details about 360 degree of the vehicle, this, that, and number of the things are being captured as a regular database building exercise. So lot of information may flow to identify a vehicle from our database. Once vehicle has been identified, then owner will be identified by the two system, one from RTO and another from insurance. And that's how we would be knowing the identity. Now, our challan detail. When we say challan, it means evidence of violation duly signed by the competent authority, maybe SHO. Then it will be pushed to the violator who has been identified. And he would be given opportunity that he can see evidence for himself. and once he saw the evidence, and then he is having two options. Number one, either to make payment, or if he decide not to make the payment, then his case will be pushed in the court. So then he has to go and attend court, and the case will be decided by the magistrate in court. Since nobody would like to go under of inconvenience of going to court, because the evidence will be almost infallible. Hence, majority of them, they will be preferring to make payment. And for this payment, we are trying to provide all gateway options, all options which are available in any platform. So all those options would be available to them, with a caution that nobody should be in position to spoof our platform or similar looking things. And somebody, though he will be capturing evidence, but that money will, instead of going to the treasury and community volunteer, might go in their account. This part has to be very, very cautious from very, very beginning. I hope, though I have reiterated certain points, but I feel that I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Sir, I'll.
Yeah, please proceed.
Payment gateway, sir, which is embedded in a website, and there he'll be shown the evidences of the violation. Here, after seeing the evidence, if the person chooses to, he can either choose to pay the amount, or if he feels that if there's any discrepancy in the evidence shown, he could report to us using a form provided there. And then
no, there's no option. There's no such option.
Yes,
he
sir.
is having only two options. Whatever the decision is there, we have already taken. Yeah, he can only report if he is not the owner.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If something like that vehicle might have been transferred, then still we may not really kind to him, because even if his vehicle was transferred to some other name, why he has not taken the due precaution of getting it transferred to his name of the person? So
Yes.
we may not be count, but only in that kind of the scenario we might permit some kind of the feedback from violator.
Yes, sir.
But then onus will be on him to provide the details about the new person to whose custody this vehicle was.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think yes, this kind of little leeway, I think it is required. So I think you have very rightly pointed out this dimension, and I think it need to be there. It need to be there, because there is such certain situation when he may not be the right person who violated the rule. So the only violator can be prosecuted, nobody else, right? So
Yes, sir.
if you want to really put those facts that he is not the violator, then the onus will be on him to say then who violated it. Okay?
Yes.
Right. एंड हमको तो पैसे से मतलब है, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि हम गवर्नमेंट ट्रेजरी को भी पैसा देना चाहते हैं और कम्युनिटी वॉलंटियर को देना चाहते हैं. तो इट डज नॉट रियली मैटर कि पिताजी ने जो ना वायलेशन किया या लड़के ने वायलेशन किया. इट डज नॉट रियली मैटर टू अस, एज सिंपल एज दैट, राइट? नंबर 1. नंबर 2 जो है, इट माइट बी हैविंग लिटिल implication when we will be going for cancellation of their license, driving license and other kind of the thing. So that is again a sensitive issue. So the person can say, no, I am not done it, my son has done it. So let that then instead of his license of his son will be cancelled. No issue.
Yes, sir. Next, if we if Yes, sir. If he chooses to pay the entire amount, he'll be given to choose one of the several options to make a payment. It could be a credit card, debit card, or net banking, Beam, or UPI. And many options will be there, sir. He'll be able to choose one of those to make the payment. And then, if the payment is successful, depending on the challan ID that we have, will determine if the entire amount received should we go. It should go to the government, or should it be shared with the social volunteer. If anyone is involved in the
So,
getting the evidence.
in beginning, we have taken a decision 50-50. If there is any change of the opinion, then it will be communicated. At the moment, you presume 50% should go to community, because we want very strong motivation with the community. We do not want that government without any effort should corner all the issues. Government is doing nothing in this. So all efforts are from the volunteer side. So he should get 50% of the amount, and that kind of the heavy amount, if reaches to the community volunteers, more people will be motivated to capture such evidence.
Sir, but if the community volunteer did not give any evidence relating to this particular crime, would
His app is capturing. Who else is capturing it?
government CCTV camera may have captured, no, sir?
So if government is captured, then it will check the ID of the person. If he is a say police person, then he will not be eligible for that
Yes, sir.
volunteer money.
Yes, sir.
But in any case, that will be a different app, because that will be a police app. That will be a smart investigation app. It will not be a community volunteer app. So his identity would be already available, and when the evidence is coming from police smart investigation app, then they will not be eligible for any sharing. But if the same thing is coming from community volunteer app, he will be getting money. Now imagine a situation: a police officer making use of the phone of his son, he captures some evidence. Then you have that presuming that his son has done the job, and his son will be getting that money. Getting my point? So we will be deciding from where or who is capturing this evidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All that. Yes, sir. All that details will be there in the challan ID. With this ID, I think you can get if any community volunteer has involved in this evidence finding.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
Yes, sir. After the transaction is success.
Rather जो है these details जो है should be immediately. I mean, it should not be available to offender. Certainly should not be available to offender. But immediately a message should go. Say the moment SHO puts a signature and it becomes challan, a message should be generated. Hey, your evidence now is a challan, right? The moment the payment has been done, hey, payment has been done, you are entitled to get this much, right? Something like that. And then when actual payment has been made, that he should get that message that this much amount has been received by him. So
yes,
he should enjoy the thrill of that he is likely to get money when it was in process. Getting my point? So for all stages, including when competent authority is putting his digital signature, even that information must come to him, and he should know that now his evidence has been signed by the competent authority and it has become challan. So he should know how much amount he will be getting. The message should say, hey, your evidence has been signed by the competent authority. Now you are eligible to get this much money. Right? Because this message will be having certain kind of motivational impact. And that motivational impact I want to bring in deliberately.
Yes, sir. Finally, sir, transaction receipt would be generated and it will be sent to the violator saying that he has paid the amount, challan amount, sir. With that,
now that have a full detail And here you have to ensure that there should not be any spoofing, there should not be any kind of the malpractice. That we have to keep in mind from very beginning. Because the moment this kind of the system will be in place, the people with the criminal bent of mind or smart people, they are trying to do certain kind of the imitation and may try to dodge public. Right? So
Yes.
this part has to be very properly attempted, that nobody else should be in position to do any kind of the spoofing. There should not be private company, those who started capturing it and getting full money for themselves. That kind of the racket should not start. So
Yes, sir.
there should be very strong holograms or things like that, which should authenticate that we are the real authority and it is being done by them, and nobody should be in position to make fool of any person who violated rule. So violation of rule in any case would be there, because even if somebody is imitating it, he will put the proof, and the person knows that he violated, then only proof will be there, right? So, but at the same time, the only thing the proceed then will go to the third party account. That kind of thing must not happen.
Yes, sir.
It means wherever you are interacting, it should have the definite sign which should differentiate, and that should not be in position to replicate it by anybody. So how that would be done, that has to be properly deliberated, rather than you can even do the literature survey on this part, because this is a very important dimension, and I presume that this kind of the things people will try to do, and our the backend engine should be in position to identify such attempt. They should be in position to take immediate cognizance, right? And such person should be prosecuted, rather than people are running and their FIR is not being registered. So the same story must not happen.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Regarding, I have a small question regarding this, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir. In development of payment gateway, should we also include an interface where the person can see an evidence and type of evidence and all?
Challan always include evidence. It means evidence has to be sent along with it. He can see that challan. That will be the part of challan itself. Hey,
Yes,
you
sir.
have violated this, and you are challaned with this much amount. Please click on it now. So please go through the evidence there. So evidence will be certainly be there, and evidence should be good enough to indicate what violation they have done. If that evidence is not showing any violation, taking number plate is not going to solve the problem. Then that will not be treated as a violation at all.
Yes.
So the evidence itself should convey the violation. Otherwise, it is no evidence. System will reject that evidence in beginning itself. It will not be treated any evidence. So taking a photograph of a vehicle is not a violation.
Yes.
So taking a just photograph of number plate is not going to help you to get money. The money will only be poison. And secondly, there will be no uploading option. So if you have recorded somewhere, that is the lost opportunity, and there will not be any uploading option in our app. So people cannot record it like that, and then later on they are uploading that as I have captured this evidence. This option will not be open. It means when the community volunteer want to record certain violation, they have to open our app. Our app will not allow any uploading of any photo, any video from outside our app. That option will not be there. So even if the violation has taken place, if it has not recorded through the app, he will get no plan, and we will not entertain that is a violation. It is a very important input. Do you understand? So it is a only violation if that evidence is flowing through our app, because our app is having inbuilt जो है those things, so that evidence cannot be manipulated. Because whatever is being captured, it will be captured through the app, and then it will be encrypted along with the date, time, and location stamp. And wherever that evidence is moving, it will be having the chain of custody, and it will be having hash-to-hash matching. So blockchain technology will be used for that purpose. So we have to understand our app will not permit any uploading of any photo, any video which has been taken by some mobile, and then you have uploading into our app. That option will not be open. If that is the case, it is a lost opportunity for the person who captured the evidence, because that we will not treat as a violation. We will not give any reward, and it will not be pushed to the SHO for his signature. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So
sir.
only evidence captured by a person making use of our app, right? So it means he has to be our volunteer. He has to use our app. He will use a smart option available in our app. Only then he will be eligible to push it as a evidence. And our app will not be having any feature like uploading of photograph, uploading of video. That kind of the feature will not be available there. The moment it is captured through that, we may permit our person to record what exactly violation he has observed, and the backend technology will cross-verify whatever he is saying, whether that is visible from the evidence captured by him. If whatever he is saying that is not corroborated by the evidence, then it will cancel it, and it will not be taken to SHO. So it will immediately intimate that you have not done a good job, and your input has been rejected. I think probably this part I have not elaborated while I was telling the thing. So now you have to see that this will be the process when capturing of evidence through the voluntary app would be done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I think
Okay.
there are few questions that the team had related to the payment gateway as well. So
Please.
Maithili sir, the payment gateway ecosystem in India is pretty mature. Say, for
Yes.
example, you have several payment gateways like PayEasy, Citrus, Paytm, Pay4You, and several other out of the box commercially available payment gateway systems that are there. So I was wondering, should we be using one of these payment gateways, because they already have all the security, they have all type of payment options implemented, including all the options that we discussed today in the meeting, and we should become an integrator, because developing a payment gateway by itself is I know it is a few years of project, because
No,
it's a
what I
complex.
am saying, we can borrow services, as simple as that.
Okay.
So that is not a big deal. But then say payment is one way, and the process of the whole thing is a different thing. So they will come into picture when that payment gateway is there. But that integration part has to be done and standardized by you people. And
Yes.
this payment gateway जो है ना, for the different situation will be then standardized.
Yes.
Say, as rightly said, that when it is community is involved, then 50%. When say government official is capturing, then whole amount will go in treasury. Those kind of scenario would be those kind of the scenario have to be listed, and the provision and making use of the way could be done accordingly. And this team will identify and will talk that how it could be done smartly so that the moment we do whatever the paper formality, even that formality should be standardized, so that if we need to complete certain formalities with them, we should know in advance. Rather, our processes may help in completing that formality without much of loss of time.
Yes. Okay. So team, I think you also have done some research on the different payment gateways. Can you continue sharing that as well?
Yes, sir. Sriram would like to present the screen.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon.
Can I share the screen?
Please.
Is it visible?
Yeah, now.
These are the different various payment gateways that are available in India, and we had done some research on these things. So,
Okay.
coming first, there is a payment gateway called RezaPay. This helps. This supports credit cards, debit cards, and also net banking, UPI, etc. One of the key feature of this thing is its graphical interface is quite super. And then we are having PayU as another gateway. This is done by one of the Indian Payment Processing Corporation, and this also supports more than 250 local payment methods. And these are the charges, and these are the key features of the PayU gateway. And this can be integrated with mobile apps in Android, Windows, and iOS. And then coming next, InstaMojo is one of the another payment gateway that is quite rising, and more number of people are using it day by day. And then comes India's unicorn, Paytm. Paytm has a lot of customers in India when compared to other payment gateways, and people are so habituated to use this online payment gateway compared to others. And this is also one of the most easiest payment gateway that I think can be used as a backend or as a white label payment.
I am having reservation about the Paytm because I have encountered many cases where the Paytm data or something has happened, and the people can befool people. So we have to study whenever anybody is befooled or something wrong happened, then how the Paytm will be compensating us.
Yes, sir.
Because unless that is done, we will not give this option, because even one case, even I personally encountered, and I have seen many videos in which the people weepingly shared that that the person is saying that okay, this amount will come back to you, and he was continuously threatened, and that amount from his account or her account was transferred, and she did not get any hearing from police. So that kind of thing happened. So while talking of the payment gateways, if some kind of the issue comes, then what about the dispute resolution mechanism that has to be understood? If they do not have the very strong dispute resolution mechanism, then we will not opt for that gateway.
Yes, sir. And coming the last, we have the CCAvenue as one of the largest payment gateway in India. It has more than 200 plus payment options and also supports like many credit cards and debit cards. And it can be easily.
Basically, we can work out on MOU with them for the two reasons, because it will be a government initiative. So government, the normal companies and the government should be treated differently, right?
Yes, sir.
And since the transaction volume would be very, very high, we would not like to make the payment like say crores are being flowing to Paytm or anybody. That kind of thing should not happen, right? So
Yes, sir.
we have to very sincerely consider that what will be the quantum which will flow to them, and how well that, whether it should be number one, it could be exempted for any fees, number one, if possible, right? And otherwise we will try to use a gateway which should be almost free to us, because the type of the money which will be flowing, it will be enormous. So any percentage will be, it will be going in few thousand crore kind of thing, not crore, few thousand crore. So we would not like to give that kind of the money to a private individual just for nothing, right?
Yes, sir.
So I would like to do that, you to do that homework, and if required, then you can have a discussion with them, and your report should contain those details also, because just for nothing, why anybody should make thousands of crore from us? Because the total volume, if we say 1,30,000 crore, it is a very huge money. Even 1% will be 1,300 crore. Say even 1% will be 100. That kind of the money would be there.
Yes, sir.
Maybe 1,300 crore, 130, so 1,000, yeah. Even 1% will be 1,300 crore. That kind of the money. Right?
Yes, sir. We understood.
With that the money, we can create our own gateway. I mean, with a little less money, we can put the people, and even if we have to make the payment for making it happen, it will be a better and more reliable option, rather than depending on the third party and their processes. We can have our own smart processes, because why we will be unnecessarily paying this kind of the money to someone? So we can work out how exactly, rather people will start not using their gateway because we are not providing that. So people may a time to come when, if they are not providing us good services, probably they will lose some of their customers. That kind of predominant influence on the policy and market, probably in time we would be enjoying. I think Professor Kedar sir would be in position to appreciate the dimension I am trying to flag.
Yes. Okay. So Sriram, do you have anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. So Abhinav, back to you.
Sir, I would like to ask a question, sir.
Please.
Sir, in this, should we develop the entire application or only payment gateway is sufficient, sir?
Let it be in two parts. One part is the payment gateway as a backend service, right? And then we have to devise the whole process, because it has to be in our type of situation. So both the things should be done by you, so that as and when we want to do something, somebody need not to reinvest the same kind of efforts. So everything will be done in two ways. Number one, backend service or microservice, that is a standardized service. So by little modification, we can put it wherever you like. And second is in a specific scenario, as we are discussing. Is this point clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So as a backend service and as a full process, both has to be done.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Please.
Sir, when two or more volunteers using our app capture the same person violating the rule, then how would we manage with that?
See the violation, nobody would be in position to capturing the same instant. So if it is having a gap of few seconds or few minutes, that will be treated an independent violation. So there will be 2 challan. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
There is nothing like continuation of challan. See, हमने आपको एक बार देखा कि आपका नंबर प्लेट इज नॉट ओके, दिस इज वन चालान, और किसी रास्ते में किसी दूसरे ने भी देख लिया कि नंबर प्लेट आपकी ठीक नहीं है, उसने वायलेशन को रिकॉर्ड किया और भेज दिया, राइट? सो यू आर नॉट हैविंग ए लाइसेंस कि एक बार आपने कर लिया तो आप 15 दिन तक जो है ना वायलेशन करते रहोगे। आप घर से क्यों निकले गलत नंबर प्लेट लगा के?
Yes.
Right? And let me tell you, in few cases, the second challan is having bigger penalty. See, if the license plate is not okay, then there's a penalty of 2,000 rupees. But for the second violation, the penalty is 5,000 rupees. And there's a punishment of the imprisonment. There could be imprisonment to the extent of 3 months. तो 5,000 रुपए भी लगेंगे और 3 महीने के लिए जेल भी जा सकता है यदि मजिस्ट्रेट डिसाइड
would not violate the rules.
राइट? या बिकॉज जो लाइसेंस प्लेट नंबर जो है ना, जो जबकि 99% जो है ना, आई फील कि कोई भी नंबर प्लेट ठीक नहीं है एज पर द नोटिफिकेशन। तो बिकॉज देयर समवेयर देयर इज ए इनहेरेंट टेंडेंसी टू कमिट क्राइम, somebody is doing for committing bigger crime, somebody is doing for committing smaller crime. आपने जो है ना उसको अपना नंबर प्लेट को वो किया हुआ है जिससे आपका ट्रैफिक वायलेशन ना पकड़ा जाए। कोई नंबर प्लेट को गलत ढंग से यूज कर रहा है क्योंकि वो डकैती कमिट करना चाहता है, मर्डर कमिट करना चाहता है। तो इंटेंट चाहे छोटे छोटे क्राइम कमिट करने का हो या बड़े क्राइम कमिट करने का हो, दैट लाइसेंस नंबर प्लेट इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। That's why there is a provision for the second violation of the 5,000 rupees and imprisonment of 3 months. That kind of the provision has been made in Motor Vehicle Act. And you cannot put any sign on the number plate. Now you see that N number of the thing, number plate तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि किसी कमरे के जो है ना ड्राइंग रूम का पेंटिंग बनी हुई हो, उसमें जो है ना आपको फूल मिल जाएंगे, मालूम नहीं क्या क्या कलोगा करते रहते हैं। You cannot put even a dot on that number plate. And the number plate is having क्या font होंगे, क्या thickness होगी, क्या height होगी। Now anything in violation of that, so backend technology will do that kind of the matching. It will not depend on human eye, and the proof will be created in such a way by superimposition and by other way also कि एक उसमें कहाँ गलतियां हैं। जैसे मान लो उसमें यदि करी कोई साइन है तो साइन को सर्कल करेगा, करेगा कोई हिसाब साइन है यहाँ पे जो नहीं होना चाहिए था। यहाँ पर जो 3 का जो नंबर है ये जाके पतला हो गया है, तो जहां पतला हो गया है ये इट विल इनसर्कल एंड से कि देखिए साहब यहाँ पे इट हैज बिकम थिनर देन स्टैंडर्ड। सो एक नंबर प्लेट में वो 25 खामियां दिखा के देन इट विल से कि द नंबर प्लेट इज ए डिफेक्टिव। सो इट इज नॉट दैट यू आर हैविंग ए नंबर प्लेट और यू आर नॉट हैविंग ए नंबर प्लेट। You may be having the right number plate of the right number, but if it is not matching the standard, then you will be still penalized for not having a license plate with the adequate जो है ना features. So number में कोई गलती नहीं है, right? लेकिन आपने ये सब जो ड्रामाबाजी की, उतनी उसकी लंबाई नहीं है, उतनी मोटाई नहीं है, तो वो सिस्टम उसको चेक करेगा और उसको वो कोड के समझ के हिसाब से कोई भी व्यक्ति लेमैन उसको समझ पाए, उसको वो पिक्चरली बाकायदा दिखाएगा, सो दैट जब वो आप एविडेंस उसके पास भेजते हैं तो ही कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे नंबर में क्या क्या गलती है। रादर वी कैन शो कि ये स्टैंडर्ड ऐसा होना चाहिए था। सो आपकी नंबर प्लेट में क्या खामी है और आपकी नंबर प्लेट यदि सही होती तो ऐसी होती, सो दैट ही कैन इमीडिएटली, और लेटर ऑन यदि लगेगा तो जो गलत ढंग से नंबर प्लेट कर रहे हैं उनके रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए भी हम एक ऐप बनाएंगे, और रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए कोई फीस नहीं होगी, लेकिन जो भी नंबर प्लेट बनाने वाले हैं दे कैन नॉट डू द नंबर प्लेट मेकिंग विदाउट रजिस्टरिंग देमसेल्फ, दैट इज विल बी फ्री, बट दैट काइंड ऑफ द रूल वी विल ट्राई टू मेक इट थ्रू द गवर्नमेंट, that is required. And similar kind of the rule I will like to make for the people those who are doing the denting painting on the vehicle, because whenever the vehicle is stolen or that kind of the things are done, generally there will be change of color and this and that. So why a color has been changed, if the color is being changed, let it be properly captured through our app and should be available with us. If we could do that, lot many crime will not happen just like this.
Yes.
So we would be generating or developing certain apps for certain group of the people, so that they can have the smart reporting without going to anybody. Even registration will not be a big issue. He can just put all the document and auto registration will happen, right? And there will be no fees, because we don't intend to generate any fees out of it, but we want to bring better compliance of rules, and we want to avoid the opportunity to commit crime. So I feel that, and we can go for the similar thing for the stamp also. Stamp means official stamps. जैसे आप जो है हमारे नाम के stamp बनाना चाहें, then it has to be reported through the app, and it should remain on the record कि मैथिली शरण गुप्त ने जो है ना अपने नाम की जो है ना स्टैम्प बनाई है और वो मैथिली शरण गुप्त ने ही बनवाई है. यदि मैथिली शरण गुप्त का कोई बंदा जो ना जाता है, आइडेंटिटी भी कैप्चर की जाएगी. If and probably a message will go to the authorities that your official stamp has been made. If it is not done by you, please press this button, so that immediately we will come to know that somebody has made the force seal. If that kind of the things we will be in position to do, lot of जो है manipulation of the record, lot of creation of the false certificate, that we will be in position to control in no time. So all the time we have to think out of the box. So while talking to you, I have given you the concept of the 3F. Kedar sir? I think he is not there. So note down, these Fs would be created, and we will be allotting a team for doing that job. Let me once again say, whosoever is making number plate, we have to make a rule so that he has to register himself as a person who is making a license number plate. No registration fees, nothing. But if he has not registered, then he will be violated a rule. Probably he will be liable for that, because we will treat that he is doing it illegally, though we don't intend to charge any fees from them. Number one. The same thing we want for denting, painting, those kind of the people, those who are changing the paint and color of the vehicle and this and that. And we would like to do the similar kind of the things for the stamp also. The person, those who are creating seal basically. So nobody should be in position to create a false seal in the name of anybody, because if that is being done, the person, even agent of that authority, his whole identity will be captured, and a message will go to the original authority that a seal has been created under your name, under your office name. Have you really authorized? And if he says, no, I have not authorized, the case will be reported as a crime. Because these kind of out-of-box thinking, these kind of little things will be making India crime-free. Because unless we plug all the holes, simply one provision of FIR is not going to help us.
Yes.
So we would like you people also that to suggest wherever you feel that ये भी करना चाहिए, ये भी करना चाहिए. If my mind is fertile and looking at the various dimensions, I think you people young brain can still think better than me. So I look forward from you for this kind of suggestions.
Sure.
Whether I answered your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, also our project is to develop an app or design a website embedded with a payment gateway.
It is a service. It has to be platform neutral. So it should be for app. It should be for even somebody is doing that through the web portal. So it should be applicable for app. It should be applicable for the Android. It should be applicable for iOS devices. It should be applicable for Windows and other. So it should be a platform neutral service. And probably you can create some kind of input or those kind of devices by any layman can integrate it to any platform. Is this point clear to you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is a basically microservice which should be platform neutral. It means it should be operated through the Android phone. It should be operated through iOS device. It could be through the Windows platform. So, I mean, it should be platform neutral. Or if we are having some reservation in using that platform neutral word, so we can say ART platform enabled. We have to just tick accordingly that backend processor will reset for itself dynamically so that the same service is enabled for that device. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Please.
What would be the, input to our gateway, sir? What should we process?
For you from app, the things will be routed through CCTNS to Thana Pravari. Thana Pravari has to put his digital signature. Once he put his digital signature, only then it will become challan. So your app has to understand, and anyways, this your app would be integrated with that only, so that payment option will be automatically generated. It means once signature is done, automatically it will approach your service to tag your payment option with that. So before attaching your payment option, you can have certain kind of a checking whether whatever is required to prove it, whether that has been done. That could be done as a second option, so that nobody should be in position to laugh at you if any mistake has taken place at the other end. Because आपने देखा होगा ना कई बार आधार में जो ना किसी बंदर का फोटो, हनुमान जी का फोटो बना के आधार कार्ड बन गए हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज द वे टू बेफूल के आपका सिस्टम बिल्कुल नालायक है, वो कुछ भी बनाने के लिए तैयार है. इट बिकॉज द बैकएंड इंजन इज नॉट हैविंग ए स्मार्टनेस टू डिफरेंशिएट दीज थिंग्स. तो जैसे यदि हमने ये स्मार्टनेस पहले से नहीं डाली तो लोग इसी तरीके का हमारा भी जो ना मखौल उड़ाने के लिए ऐसा कुछ नालायकी जैसा काम करेंगे और फिर कहेंगे देखो ये मैथिलीशरण गुप्त का ऐप और एक क्राइम फ्री भारत का ऐप देखो ऐसे काम कर रहा है. So you have to be very cautious about those things, because people will directly target. जो लोग हनुमान का फोटो खींच के आधार नंबर बनाते हैं, उनका मकसद क्या है? They want to say that इतने नालायक लोग बैठे हैं आधार नंबर में कि without any differentiation they are जो है creating any आधार number, any card, anything. What kind of the जो है checking system is or artificial intelligence has been created at the back end? Why they created a very simple system? Why it is not having auto checking at the background? We would not be committing those kind of fault. Our backend engine should be very strong, should use AI and other kind of the things, and this kind of the verification must be done. Otherwise, लोग आपका मखौल उड़ाने के लिए इस तरीके की चीजें कैप्चर करके आप पे हंसेंगे, and then they will say it should be, if it could be dropped, it will be better. तो आपकी छोटी बड़ी गलती इतने बड़े क्राइम फ्री भारत इनिशिएटिव को गड्ढे में डाल सकती है. If you are in position to understand these minute nuances, then probably you will be very cautious from very beginning. So don't treat that you are creating a module. You are not creating a module. You are creating crime-free Bharat. Any mistake on your part might have a shadow of doubt on crime-free Bharat. That kind of the realization should be always at the back of our mind. Kedar sir, do you agree with me?
Yes, sir, I completely agree with you.
Hello, Kedar sir.
Yes, sir, I completely agree with you.
I said, do you agree with me?
Yes, I do agree with you, sir.
I am not in position to hear you. Somebody may repeat what Kedar sir is saying.
Yes, sir. He agrees with you.
Okay, great. But that kind of the realization everybody too has, because the people जो है हमारा सिर्फ माखौल उड़ाने के लिए, हमारा मजाक बनाने के लिए इस तरीके के ड्रामा नाटक करेंगे. ऐसे ड्रामा नाटक करने की किसी की हिम्मत नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारा बैकएंड जो है ना इंजन इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, एंड इट हैज टू बी आर्म्ड विद द एआई इन सच ए वे कि वी शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड के लोग यदि हम सतर्क नहीं रहे तो इस तरीके का ड्रामा करके माखौल उड़ाएंगे, और यदि उनसे बन पड़ा और वो यदि किसी पोजीशन में हुए तो वो इसी छोटे मोटे बहाने को लेके आपके पूरे प्रोजेक्ट की को जो है ड्रॉप कराने की कोशिश करेंगे. किसी की चाल नहीं चलना चाहिए। यदि भारत को इतना बड़ा तोहफा मिलने वाला है तो उसे मिलना ही चाहिए। दिस शुड कम एज ए राइट टू द सिटीजन एंड दिस मस्ट हैपन। यदि बिना ज्यादा मेहनत के यदि अपराध मुक्त भारत बन सकता है तो nobody is having the right to come in between। एंड मेरे ख्याल से अब तक आप लोग काफी कुछ सहमत हो चुके होंगे कि अपराध मुक्त भारत बनने को रोकना मुश्किल काम होगा। ये तो बन के ही रहेगा। आप लोग बच्चों सहमत हो जो मैं कह रहा हूं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो आई सजेस्ट यू कि आप बैकग्राउंड में जो बहुत सारे दूसरी चीजें चल रही हैं इस क्राइम फ्री भारत चैनल पे, उसको जरूर देखो। Probably it might give you certain points which may be relevant to you. So I sincerely request that everybody must go and see various videos in which I am giving my opinion, my suggestion, my ideas, my vision, because those vision may not be directly related, but it will help to improve your understanding. And you have to have the right kind of the understanding, because lot many people would like to put you in a bad light. They would like to ridicule you. They would like to minimize your efforts. And they will be very happy if this initiative is dropped. Because उनके बहुत सारे, जब हर चीज में ट्रांसपेरेंसी होगी तो स्वार्थ तो लोगों के नहीं होंगे पूरे। तो स्वार्थ पूरे नहीं होंगे तो वो तो they will be bent upon to criticize the system. Now सिस्टम के अंदर इतनी स्ट्रेंथ होना चाहिए कि उसे क्रिटिसाइज करना मुश्किल नहीं बल्कि नामुमकिन होना चाहिए। इट शुड बी समथिंग लाइक अ डॉन स्टेटमेंट कि डॉन को पकड़ना ना केवल मुश्किल ही है नहीं बल्कि जो है ना नामुमकिन है। सो यू विल से कि क्राइम फ्री भारत के कॉन्सेप्ट को जो है डिफीट करना मुश्किल ही नहीं बल्कि नामुमकिन है। दैट काइंड ऑफ द स्लोगन यू शुड हैव बैक इन योर माइंड।
Sure, sir. Thank you. You have any more questions, Vivek?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, this is what I think. If, for example, there is one volunteer who takes a picture of me riding on a bike without a helmet, and then he takes multiple images of me at the same time. For example, I'm doing this.
If say video is also number of images, it will not going to make your many crimes. But if somebody else after less of 5 minutes records your video, then you are liable to be prosecuted second time.
That means
if
there is
not prosecuted. See, if some other app जो है ना is capturing you after a gap, because nobody will be recording at the same time, it is not possible. So if you are being recorded second time, that will be treated as a second violation, because at first outset why you violated it. तो आपको यदि आपने किसी ने आपकी पूरी जर्नी में 5 बार आपने किसी ने कैप्चर कर लिया, आपके 5 चालान होंगे। You have to pay 10,000 rupees, and that will जो है generate greater fear in your mind. आप अल्टीमेटली ऐसा काम करना ही क्यों चाहते हो जो कि अपराध की श्रेणी में आता है? Why are you doing it? Is it clear to you?
No,
तो
that's
हम
not
आपको
my
लाइसेंस नहीं दे सकते। आपको लाइसेंस नहीं दे सकते कि आज आपने यदि कोई वायलेशन कर दिया है तो वो वायलेशन जो है ना विल वैलिड फॉर 1 ईयर। वो ये कोई जो है ना टोल टैक्स का नाका नहीं है कि दिस रसीद विल बी वैलिड फॉर 24 आवर। Is it clear?
No, that was not my question. I was just going.
Or at the most, if you want, we can say, give some window. Okay, this will be valid for say 1 hour, if you want. But then you have to study and come out that why you are providing this window, and then what should be the duration. It has to be logically justified. Somebody might say कि साहब मैं तो गलत नंबर प्लेट से गाड़ी लेके निकला, right? और अब 5 शहरों से हमको 5 शहरों में मालूम पड़ा कि आपको 100 आंखों ने देखा, आपको 100 चालान हो जाएंगे। कितने चालान हो जाएंगे? 100। और यदि 1000 लोगों ने कैप्चर कर लिया तो 1000 चालान हो जाएंगे। आपका पेट उतर जाएगी, आपकी जो है गाड़ी बिक जाएगी, और आपके एक दिन के चालान में मालूम पड़ा आपकी गाड़ी बिक गई। That kind of the terror must come. घर से बाहर निकलने के पहले आपका जेहन 4 बार सोचे कि हम कोई गलती तो नहीं कर रहे हैं। यदि हम ऐसा कर पाए तो न केवल रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर पाएंगे, हम आदमी के दिमाग में वो फियर डालने के में सफल हो पाएंगे कि भविष्य में जो है वो गलती ही नहीं करेगा। आज जो है ना लोग एक दूसरे का मर्डर इतनी आसानी से क्यों नहीं करते हैं? बिकॉज देयर इज स्ट्रिंजेंट पनिशमेंट, सो इट इज हेल्पफुल एंड इमीडिएटली सिस्टम जो है ना, जैसे सेकंड पनिशमेंट में या थर्ड पनिशमेंट में यदि आपका लाइसेंस कैंसिलेशन है तो लाइसेंस कैंसिलेशन का वो क्रिएट कर देगा। इट डज नॉट मीन कि साहब आप भोपाल में भी आप जो है ना तेज चला के जा रहे थे, फिर आप जो है ना इंदौर में भी तेज चला रहे हैं, फिर पुणे में भी तेज चला रहे हैं और आप कहें कि साहब ये तो वन ट्रांजेक्शन है तो आपको तेज चलने का लाइसेंस मिल गया है। तो जितनी बार आप जितनी जगहों पे जो है आपका वायलेशन कैप्चर होगा, दोज विल बी ट्रीटेड एज इंडिपेंडेंट वायलेशन। इसका मतलब है थ्योरेटिकली आपकी एक जो है ना जर्नी में देयर कुड बी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ द वायलेशन एंड उनका टोटल जो है ना अमाउंट जो है ना सम टाइम मे एक्सीड द वैल्यू ऑफ योर कार। यदि एज्यूम करिए कि पूरे 130,000 करोड़ यदि इसी चीज में लगे हुए हैं, तो नाउ आप इमेजिन करो कि वो कितने लोग रास्ते में उसको कैप्चर करेंगे, कितने लोग कैप्चर करेंगे। इट मे बी मोर देन 1000, इट मे बी 10,000। और यदि 10,000 वायलेशन कैप्चर होते हैं एक ही गलती के, आपकी तो गाड़ी बिक जाएगी कि नहीं बिक जाएगी?
यस सर।
और आपके पिताजी आपको दूसरी गाड़ी खरीद के नहीं देंगे। Am I right? And
Yes,
I
sir.
would like that to happen. क्योंकि यदि हम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं तो I am giving you lessons to do the violation. और जैसे ही वो एक चालान होता है आपके पास भी नोटिफिकेशन आ ही रहा है, तो तब कोशिश हो जाइए आप, भाई यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू विद दैट योर व्हीकल। Any other question?
Sir, I want to ask another question.
Any other question? Please.
Sir, when a person does a violation, it will be captured, no sir? How will that captured image reach our application, sir? I mean, how will our application reach that input violated image?
No, I did not understand your question. Please, would you please repeat it?
Yes, sir. When a person does a violation, sir, it will be captured. How will that captured image reach our application, sir? How will it be? How will it be inputted?
It will be captured through our application only. It will be captured from our app only. If it is not captured from our app, it will not be a violation, because we said that no photograph, no video can be uploaded. So it will be only a violation when it is captured through our application. Right?
Okay. Yes.
If it is not captured through our application, we will not consider it violation. We will give the grace to the person who violated. Uploading of the image is not an option.
Yes,
Right?
sir. I'd like to summarize the project, sir. Once.
Please.
I think there are 2 steps in this process, one of which is developing just a payment gateway where we accept money and then transfer it to government or social volunteer. And the second part is developing an application which facilitates, they can use it to upload images through an app.
I said uploading of the image is not permitted. You are saying the second is uploading of the image.
Through only specific that social volunteer app, which we develop.
So that is not a uploading. That is called capturing. There's a difference between uploading and capturing.
Yes, sir.
Evidence will be captured through our app. They will not be uploaded. Capturing and uploading, these are the 2 different processes. When we say uploading, it means it is captured through something else, and then you are allowing that image to be uploaded in our app. That kind of the uploading, this app will not be permitting. If you, by chance, if you have captured the evidence out of the application, we will not treat it as a violation. We will give the advantage to the person who did that violation, and we will not recognize it as a violation. तो अज्यूम करिए कि आपने वीडियो बना रहे हैं और उसमें कोई वायलेशन आ गया है, एंड इफ यू वांट दैट, अरे ये तो वायलेशन मिल गया है, चलो हम इसको जो है ना अपलोड कर देते हैं, that kind of the uploading will not be permitted, right? और उसको आप यदि कहीं दूसरी जगह से आप रिपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं तो भी आपको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा यदि हम उसको एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं कहीं दूसरी तरीके से, बट देन इट विल नॉट गो इन द रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग मॉडल एंड नो एडवांटेज विल बी फ्लोइंग टू यू. So the advantage will be only flowing when you do it through our community volunteer app. So you have to appreciate and understand the difference between capturing and difference between uploading.
Yes.
Our app will not allow any uploading. Everything will be not only captured, but it will be on the real-time basis. It will be encrypted and along with the stamp of the date, time, and location. Because the date, time, and location will also be part of evidence. So not only the image, date, time, and location will be also part of it. And that's why, if somebody is doing multiple violation, they will become the different violation because we know the time stamp. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This explanation is very, very vital. It must not skip attention in any case. And whatever I said, you re-listen video many times, and please write as a note, and please modify your concept note very emphatically. Wherever modification is not required, you put a note by the side of it so that later on it should not skip from your mind. Because your small mistake, I will presume that you have created a system the way I have explained, and your small mistake, when it will be discovered at the later stage, it will put me in bad light. Because मैं तो जोर जोर से चिल्ला के करूंगा कि ऐसा है ऐसा है ऐसा है, मालूम पड़ा कि ग्राउंड का सिस्टम कुछ दूसरे तरीके का है, और and you have not brought those things to my notice, and in good faith I will feel कि आपने जो है ना you have taken care of all nuances which I have explained to you. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can complete your part. Sorry for interruption, but that was very important interruption.
Yes, sir. That was summary.
So you have completed your summarization?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I would like to really thank you this module, because this is very important module जिसमें हम कह रहे हैं कि भगवान छप्पड़ फाड़ के देने वाला है, और छप्पड़ फाड़ के क्या देगा? पैसा. और पैसा कैसे आएगा? It will come through your payment gateway. Hence, ये छप्पड़ फाड़ना तभी संभव हो पाएगा when your service do the smart job without any hiccup anywhere, and nobody should be in position to spoof, or nobody should in position to जो है ना imitate and could do some similar kind of the thing, so that the person at the receiving end, he should not make the payment to another application which is not a genuine application. Because people might create a similar kind of the application, and though the person has to capture violation, so the violation will be captured, and probably they may be made to believe that you please make the payment. Now this part also has to be kept in mind, that this must not happen.
Yes, sir.
So if your summarization is over and if there is no question, I would like to once again thank you, you people. I am very sure you would be putting whatever I said wherever you are. There is no place to put it on the concept note. Please put in as a note by the side of it. So it should not skip your attention. Whatever advice I have given, please note down in the form of a advice right in the concept note, so that it should hammer in your mind. I will appreciate if I said some motivational sentence. You can make a proper, you can say, sticker or things, and on a bigger piece of paper or on drawing sheet, and you can put in your hostel or wherever you are residing. So that should become your buzzword and guiding word, not only for this project, but for even other part also in your behavior in a normal way, because you are going to be lucky to be a part of a transformed nation, because this project is going to change the face and fate of this country. We are tomorrow going to be proud citizen of this country. इंडिया में सब चलता है, ये सब चलता है, शब्द गायब हो जाएगा. And I think by now you must have been made to believe that it is going to happen. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whether you
Yes,
are made
sir.
to believe or not.
Yes, sir. Very good.
Yes, sir.
And what kind of the जो है ना life saving would be done? 1,60,000 odd people, they are dying because of the road accident. So we would be in position to save these many lives. Right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to ask a last question, sir.
Okay.
Sir, when the violator makes a payment, you said that 50% will go to the government and 50% will go to the community volunteers.
Correct.
I mean, how do we do that, sir? How will we know that? How will we split that, sir? How do we make that payment 50-50 splits? How do we do that, sir?
It is question of the division whose account is to be credited. He made the payment. It means the payment is received before it is credited to the account. We will have that kind of the understanding that kind of the filtering, whether it is done at our end or at the payment gateways, that will be MOU. So it will create two receipt, and it will create accordingly messages also. ट्रेजरी वाले का मैसेज ट्रेजरी वाले को चला जाएगा कि आपके अकाउंट में इतना पैसा हुआ है और इनके अकाउंट में इतना पैसा चला गया है, या किनके अकाउंट में कितना पैसा गया वो शायद उनके पास ना है, लेकिन उसके दूसरे के पास तो वो मैसेज चला जाएगा. एंड it could create a full return which could be जो है ना for cross matching with the treasury. And when you talk of the cross matching of the treasury, it has to be done for the all state, because that will be the money of state. So it will go in the treasury of the state government.
Okay.
Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
So rather than you are asking how it will be done, you have to evolve the methodology to make it happen.
Yes.
Right? And it is very simple. You can say whether it will be done at your end or it will be done at the payment gateway. Whether their technology would be doing, so since the routing of the money is being done by their end, it means they have to make this kind of the provision through MOU by signing agreement. Only then we will be using their gateways.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So the obligation will be to the service provider who is providing the service to us. If we will be making ourselves, then obligation is on us to make the division. Because number one, money वहाँ से निकल के आ गया है. Now money is here. अब now how it will go, where it will go, it can go in a number of share. यदि हम कल decide करते हैं कि किसी और को भी जाना है, यदि हम कल decide करते हैं कि a part should go for the local government also, so then a part may go to the local government. यदि ऐसे नियम बदल दिए जाते हैं कि सर ट्रैफिक चालान का कुछ पैसा जहां पे चालान हुआ है वहां की लोकल अथॉरिटी को जाना चाहिए, hypothetically, there is no such provision at the moment. It means our payment gateway then will create the three stream. One will go to the state treasury, another will go to the local government account, and the third will go to the community. Rather, the community volunteer will get the 50%. Remaining 50% may be shared by local government. I am just giving this as a hypothetical example. Don't read it कि it is going to local government. But I am saying that rules may be revised and our payment gateway has to change according to the legal requirement, according to the arrangement. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Whether I have answered your question appropriately?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Great. So one of you can express vote of thanks and we can close this session.
Yes, sir. It was a very productive session talking with you. It cleared many of our doubts and questions we had. We really appreciate your session, this session, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I convey my thanks to you and to Kedar sir and everybody. And once again to your institute for joining for this mission. This is question of our own future. This is question of our future of our country. Let's try to make it happen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.